Well, I'm here today at the invitation of one of the owners of the tractor shop to look at their latest piece of work here, their piece of art really. It's a Allis Chalmers D17 Series 4 that they're restoring for a customer over in eastern Ohio. It's where it's headed. I guess he lives in Columbus somewhere. Anyway, beautiful job. And this tractor I always had admired as just a really nice looking tractor, and one that I think was rated for 4 or 5 bottoms, and just had a neighbor that had a D19. Always again liked the look of this tractor, so I'll go over it with you. It's a diesel. He tells me they sandblasted all this, and the guy came here and actually did it. And with these tractors, apparently with all the little bits and pieces that are on them, that's looks like the way to go. The work that they do here is just amazing, and the paint job is way better than I'm sure what this tractor looked like when it came out of the factory. Anyway, just looking at it, up and down the line here, what a piece of work. Now these tractors had a on-the-go shifting kind of a device that was like the Farmall torque amplifier, and it's not a 2-stage clutch, I don't believe. It is more like a torque amplifier, but that was a nice feature of these tractors. I always like the look of the dashboard of these tractors too. Instruments are right there in front of you, and I like the way they did that aluminum puddling thing there. Tim here showed me the one that they took off of this thing, which had lost all of its puddling effect. And this one they were able to get and modify a little bit to get it to work, but it looks like it should have looked when the tractor was new. This tractor had a traction control device that boosted its traction and shifted some of the weight of the implement it was pulling into the rear wheels so that you could get more traction and take better use of your power. On the older Allis Chalmers WDs, that device was up on the under the steering wheel there near the throttle control. They moved it back here in the console, and you can see it right here. It says traction booster. Anyway, a very heavy duty 3-point hitch. I was admiring the fact that these things are loose. I have a John Deere 630 that they're frozen solid, so that's a nice thing to have. Anyway, a beautiful tractor, and if you guys want to get your work done, get your tractors restored to this level, this is the place to come. They're over here in West Elkton, Ohio, and they've worked on a lot of my tractors over the years and always do a good job. So hope you enjoy this video, and God bless you.